Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera. Today we are going to present our mini project for object-oriented programming subject, which is course registration system. Let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Muhammad Ariff bin KHAIRUL BASHA with metric number B032310511.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad IKHWAN bin Muhammad FAUZLI, B032310441.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad WAFIYYULLAH bin SHAHRIN and my metric number is B032310532. And
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad ILHAM bin MD.JELANI. My number metric is B0323105121.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad FAIZ ROSLAN. Here I will explain about our system. Our system is like a university management system. It helps admin manage student and courses, and it allows student to register for courses. For example, if you are student, you can log in, see your profile and register for course like object-oriented programming. The system make sure you don't take too many courses by tracking your credit hour. Admin can also add new student, create course and update course detail. It's all about making university management easier and more efficient.
0521. I want to explain what motivation you to develop the system. We wanted to create a system that simplifies the course registration process. Many universities still use manual method, which can be time-consuming and error-prone. Our system automates this process, making it faster and more efficient. Plus, it helps students avoid mistakes like registering for too many courses or missing important deadlines. Our goal was to make life easier for both students and admins.
And today I would like to explain the class diagram relationship between the entities. Let's talk about the class diagram. Our system has several main components. First and foremost, I would like to start with the mainframe. The main window where users log in, and the next one is the admin module. This is where the admin dashboard for managing the students and courses. The next one is student module, the student dashboard for viewing profiles and registering for courses. The next one is dialogues, like add student dialog, add course dialog, and view profile dialog, which handles specific tasks. And last is database connection, which manage the connection to the database. The relationship between these components are straightforward. For example, the admin module opens the add student dialogues to add the new students, and the student modules open the view profile dialog to show all the students' detail.
10441. And I will explain about the tables and attributes in our database. Our database has three main tables. Firstly is the students table. It stores student details like ID, name, password, program, and session. Next is the courses table. It stores course details like ID, name, capacity, credit hours, and semester. Lastly is the registration table. It links students to the courses they've registered for. For example, if a student with ID B0323 register for a course with ID BITP3113, a new row is added to the registration table to link them together. This keeps everything organized and easy to manage. Thank you.
So now, let's take a look at the source code while we referring to the class diagram. So we look at the class diagram. At the mainframe Java, it has 3 private void and 3 public void. At the private void, If we look at the class diagram, the sign is like red box and the public is the green circle. By referring to the source code, you can see it has three private void, which is the login panel, username field, password field, and the public void which is the init login panel, public void handle login, and public void show panel. In the admin module, it has four private void, which is add student, add course button, view course button, and logout button, and one public void, which is action performed, which is right here. It is for the action performed to we call action from other Java, and student module Java has four private void, which is view profile button, view subject button, register subject button, and logout button. The others are the parameters. And one public void, action performed to recall the other Java code. And then it will divide into 2 and 3 sub-Java inheritance. So the code is designed to be simple and easy to understand.
Next, I will explain about attribute and method in each class. In the add student dialog, we have attribute like TXT name for the student's name and CMB program for their program. The main method is action perform, which handle button clicks. For example, when the submit button is clicked, it saves the student details to the database. Each class has its own attributes and methods to handle specific tasks, making the system modular and easy to maintain.
Now I want to explain 3 OOP concepts implemented in my project. We use 3 key OOP concepts. The first one is encapsulation. We keep attributes private and use method to access them. For example, in database connection, the database credentials are private. The second one is inheritance. Our dialogues like add student dialogues and view profile dialog extend JDialog to reuse it functionally. The last one is polymorphism. The action performed method is overridden in multiple classes to handle button click differently. For example, in admin module, it open add student dialog, while in studio module, it's open the view profile dialogs.
Next, I would like to talk about the show implementation of array list and exception handling. In the view subject dialog, we use J combo box with an array of semester. Semester combo box is equal to new J combo box less than greater than open bracket new integer square bracket curly bracket 1 number 1 until number 9 close curly bracket close bracket and semicolon. This allows students to select the number of semester to view the courses. Next, for exception handling, we use try catch block to handle the errors. For example, in database connection, if the database connection fails, we show an error message which is catch SQL exception E in curly bracket J option pane dot show message dialog in bracket this comma quote error colon close quotation plus E dot get message open and close bracket comma quote error comma J option pane dot error underscore message close bracket semicolon close curly bracket. This ensure the system does not crash and provide a helpful feedback for the user.
So now let's move on to the demonstration part. So I will run this system. And then it will display the login dialog. So we will try as the admin first. So I will log in as the admin username and the password, and then it will say the login was successful. And then we will try to add student. For example, I try this name. Enter his metric number and then select the program, the session, then we submit, and then we will display the message student was added successfully. And we can add course. For example, I try BITM 2345 multimedia. You can enter manually in this selected capacity. I try 25 credit hour, 3 semester 2. And then after I press the submit button, it will add successfully. And then we can view the courses, and you can see the courses we just add just now. We can update the capacity. For example, I try 90, and then it will update to 90 credit hour, and you can update the semester 2. So we are done viewing the modules at the admin. We log out and try to log in as a student. So we enter this metric number, and the password is same as ABC123. Student login was successful, and it will display welcome and the name of the student. So we can view the profile and change password. Sorry, it will ask to enter the current password and enter the newest password. So you can view subjects that this student has registered. So you can select the semester and display the subject that has been registered by the student in the selected semester. So we try to register one because we just said just now. So we select this and click on the register subject, and the subject was registered successfully. And then we try to view. It will work successfully. It is successfully added to the semester 1. And we try to drop course. Let's drop the subject. Yes. And drop was successfully close. We look at the register course, and yes. When the student is dropping the course, it will appear in the register subject to student can register the subject. So that's the demonstration. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching.